In this video, I will show you how you can open and read PDF documents on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or a S26 Ultra. Now before we start, just select the PDF reader which you want to use. Now Samsung phones have two PDF readers by default. We have Samsung Notes and OneDrive. But if there is any other PDF reader which you want to use, like Adobe Acrobat or any other PDF reader, you can install it directly from the Google Play Store. Now after you select or install your preferred PDF reader, then just open the app drawer, and from here just open the My Files app. On this page, just go to the document section. Now on this page, just scroll down and select the PDF file which you want to open. After you locate the PDF file, then just tap and hold on the PDF file which you want to open, and from the bottom menu, just select More. From this pop-up menu, just select Open With, and from here just select the PDF reader which you want to use. Now I will select Samsung Notes. Now you can either select Always, and your Samsung phone will set the selected PDF reader as the default PDF reader of your smartphone, or you can just select Just Once. Now for now I will select Always. Now after you do that, you'll open the PDF file on your Samsung phone, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.